Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful word that involves renouncing or giving up something with determination. Can anyone guess what word that might be?
Is it relinquish?
Good attempt, but not quite. The word we're exploring today is abjure. Let's all say it together, abjure.
Abjure.
Perfect. Now, let's understand its meaning through some conversation examples.
Hey Ben, did you hear that Sarah decided to abjure her allegiance to the debate club?
Really? She was always so passionate about it. Why would she do that?
She felt that her studies were suffering due to the time commitment, so she chose to abjure the club to focus on her grades.
It takes a lot of determination to make such a tough decision.
Dana, I heard that John decided to abjure his previous political affiliation and join a different party.
Really? What prompted him to do that?
He realized that his values aligned better with the new party's platform, so he made the choice to abjure his old party.
It takes courage to change one's political stance like that.
Well done. In these conversations, abjure was used to describe Sarah's resolute choice to give up her involvement in the debate club and John's determined decision to formally renounce his previous political affiliation.
So, abjure is about making a strong commitment to give up something.
Exactly. Abjure is about formally renouncing or giving up something, often with a clear and determined commitment.
Can we start using abjure in our own sentences now?
Absolutely. Practice incorporating abjure into your sentences to integrate it into your vocabulary. Wonderful job, everyone. Embrace the concept of abjure and use it to describe decisive choices to give up beliefs, habits, or affiliations. Keep expanding your vocabulary and using new words to become even more proficient in English communication.